Hey guys, welcome to Top 5 Niches of the Week. This is episode 182. I've got 5 print-on-demand niches. Well, actually, I just lied. I've got more than 5. I did a lot of bonus niches in this episode. They are all trending right now, and we are pre-peak in terms of peak demand. So these are all good opportunities to increase your sales over the next 2 to 3 weeks. Let's get to it. All right, let's kick things off with an Amazon merch sales update. In the month of October, I made 1,703 sales on Amazon merch. That's for the whole month of October. $5,670 in royalties on the US market and about another, I don't know, 4, 6, maybe, $800 or $900 profit from international markets. So really nice kickoff to the fourth quarter. If you guys want to see my ad spend associated with that, which is really low, by the way, check out my Instagram. I'll link it in the description. I post daily sales updates there, and I posted a full breakdown with my ad spend on Instagram. So go check that out. So here are the current top 10 best sellers. We've got some Thanksgiving shirts making their way into the top 10. Looks like actually about half of them are Thanksgiving, and that's actually going to feed into the theme of today's episode. While we have talked about them in the past, giving a heads up if you guys think that you need to be months in advance, depending on what platform you're on, you may want to be if you're trying to reach the organic, best-selling spot. But if you're just trying to make, and when I say you're trying to make the organic best-selling spot, that means you're probably running ads to get there. If you are just trying to capture purely organic sales, you can still upload to Thanksgiving right now. Yes, you can. I don't care if it's contrary to popular opinion. I guarantee you, especially on Amazon, you can make this work. I just did it with the Halloween shirts that I showed you in a video a couple days ago. I mean, I was uploading those like less than 2 weeks away from Halloween, and we locked in over 10 sales. You know what I'm saying? If you guys missed that video, I'll put it in the YouTube cards right here. All right, so we're talking Thanksgiving shirts here. According to Google Trends over the last 5 years, the peak demand for this is actually right around Thanksgiving. So we know that, those orders need to be placed a little bit in advance in order for them to get produced and shipped on time, but that's not our problem. I'm just showing you that peak interest is typically right around the actual day that Thanksgiving follows on. So niche number 1 this week is like a Butterball. Okay, another Thanksgiving sub niche. Really nice BSRs in terms of Amazon merch. I like that the number 2 bestseller is on an orange shirt, and look at the number 6 bestseller on a gray shirt. That's a strategy that you guys have heard me talk about. If you're trying to crack what you may consider to be too saturated bestsellers, sometimes something as simple as not making the color black available in the context of Amazon merch, where we know it will default to the color black, but you could extend this to Etsy and make your primary thumbnail a different color than the most commonly used, okay? And again, I always think you should optimize your design for whatever color you put in the primary. I just think that makes a lot of sense to me personally. Let me know your thoughts in the comments. I'd love to hear them. But that can help you stand out even amidst a sea of competition because you're doing things a little bit differently. You zig while others zag. Okay, niche number 2 this week, and we've actually got more than 5 niches, so stick around. Niche number 2, how about pumpkin pie? Okay, those are the search terms I'm associating, but when I type in these high value search terms, do you notice any trends in terms of the most popular designs? Yeah, I do too. Half of them behind me are the little pumpkin pie Pac-Man eating the whipped cream. Is that allowed? Well, it would really honestly need to go probably to litigation and have a judge preside over whether or not this is allowed or not, right? In my personal opinion, I wouldn't upload these to Amazon merch. I'd feel safe uploading them elsewhere, and I would not include the search terms Pac-Man in my listing. If you actually look on Amazon at these listings of the pumpkin pie with the slice missing, with the whipped cream to the right, to avoid saying Pac-Man there, you'll notice that they just say pumpkin pie shirt, right? So the people buying them are probably literally going to Amazon, going to the search bar, typing in pumpkin pie shirt, and purchasing these. Okay. Niche number 3, wine turkey family. Right? Thanksgiving, everybody gets together. Like it or not, right? If you got relatives that, annoy you or something like that. I'm not saying I do. I'm just saying everybody gets together on Thanksgiving. You get your wine, your turkey, and your family. And of course, come on now, football, right? Who doesn't look forward to Thanksgiving Day football? It's the best day of the year for football. WTF? What the F, right? Wine, turkey, family. Niche number 3. Niche number 4. Oh, before we get to niche number 4, use the links in the description. If you're not already receiving my free print-on-demand mini course, over 20 days, I will send you 1 lesson a day. It's extremely thorough and it's perfect to get you started. Step-by-step hand-holding, completely free. linked in the description, and check out my print on demand Facebook group, also linked down there, a great place to network with other sellers. Niche number 4 is pour some gravy on me. And I would edit in the backdrop of the song that it's referencing, but I'm pretty sure YouTube would strike my video. So I'm not going to do that, but hopefully you guys know what song I'm talking about. If not, it's all good. Pour some gravy on me. And then, of course, there's a lot of really funny graphics. The one in the top row in the middle, also I'm cracking up at. But yeah, there's just a million Thanksgiving niches, and a lot of them are really funny. A lot of them involve like popular song lyrics too. I can't be the only one that noticed that. We've got 2 of the top 4 already. You know, we had the Butterball, came in like a Butterball, and pour some gravy on me. All right, niche number 5, time to get basted. Okay, time to get basted, time to get wasted. Everybody has different Thanksgiving traditions. Some people, like one of my good friends, like he only has brothers, so it's him and his brothers. Every time they get together, they get wasted, right? They get Thanksgiving basted, wasted, and they watch football all day. You know what I'm saying? I can't lie, I'm a little bit jealous, but you want to sell a t-shirt to someone like them? Right here behind me makes a lot of sense. All right, now we got some bonus niches. You ready? We're gonna go through these quickly. We have Turkeysaurus, okay, the T-Rex cross niched with Thanksgiving. Sometimes you put a turkey on the T-Rex. Also notice the color scheme, a lot of fall, orange, etc. We have Thanksgiving nurse. And again, these are the search terms I'm associating with these results. These are the listings indexed on Thanksgiving nurse. Now, Thanksgiving Nomies is one of those that I think is coming up, and they actually cross-niched the Thanksgiving Nomies with the Thanksgiving nurse. I love when I see examples like that. And then you've got ones that are doing like ER crew. You've got ICU. You know what I'm saying? People are extending these out. One says turkey scrubs and rubber gloves. ER Thanksgiving crew. So yeah, lots of different ways to attack that. I forgot to update the text here, but this is Thankful Vibes. All right, Thankful Vibes. A lot of different ways to go into that niche. Thanksgiving Nomies, as I just mentioned, or Thanksgiving with my Nomies. Thanksgiving with my 4th grade Nomies. Thanksgiving with my 1st grade Nomies. If you guys want to go after, you know, teachers in grade school, etc., make sure you enable the youth checkbox in Amazon merch so that those shirts are, you know, available to youth. And then if you're going to sell this shirt, maybe do not check the youth checkbox. Twerky, the Twerking Turkey. And I think this is the last one, Friendsgiving. All right, do not forget Friendsgiving, where, you know, people have Thanksgiving with their friends, maybe the day before, you know, Thanksgiving. Actually, maybe not the day before. That'd be Wednesday. The day before is a big going out day, isn't it? Friendsgiving, maybe it's the weekend after. Maybe it's Saturday. And then this is actually my handpicked personal favorite. Due to inflation, this is my Halloween costume, Thanksgiving shirt, and ugly Christmas sweater. I love that as an idea, guys. And that one probably has really emerged in the last like year, you know, 2 years, etc. So how about that for a bonus Thanksgiving niche? All right, emerging trends. These are outperforming their 30-day average BSR. Could be indicative of a coming trend. Okay, we have Hi, It's Me, I'm the Problem, It's Me. I would not recommend selling that, by the way. Some people are getting through with the Grinch and The Night Before Christmas. I would avoid those. I don't know. It seems like this didn't filter out the protected brands, so I would honestly steer clear of a lot of these. Also, Mamba Forever behind me, you know, reference to Kobe Bryant. I would not do that either. Looking ahead, if you want to sell in random smaller holidays, we have December 5th, so we're at least a month out, Repeal Day, where Prohibition ended. December 6th, Bartender Appreciation Day. You know, coincidence that those two are back-to-back days, maybe, maybe not. December 7th, International Civil Aviation Day. December 8th, National Brownie Day. December 10th, Human Rights Day. Love that. And here is the archive. Here are shirts that were selling well 11 months ago. Could be indicative of products that will be selling well 1 month from today. So you guys see the logic there. We have a lot of evergreens mixed in with Christmas. And this kind of goes along with what I say. I personally do not like to list a lot of Christmas stuff. I like to list mainly evergreens that are related to people's interests, hobbies, beliefs, etc. Right? Stuff that they would go to Facebook and create on their profile. They would say, I'm interested in, and they would add as interests. If anybody uses Facebook anymore. I don't know why that popped up, but that's what I think. You know what I'm saying? Somewhat like things that people self-identify with. Or study in school, right? There's a million ways to attack it. What sports do they like? Whatever. Entertainment. All right, removed designs. Let's wrap this up. These were all removed in the last 20 days. One says boss, one says sorry, hanging with my nomies. This is not necessarily removed by Amazon. It could be removed by the uploader, so take that into account as well. All right, guys, thank you for watching. Quick reminder, my full print on demand course is linked in the description. It's the best way to learn my exact process to help you start, scale, and then automate, which is the real bread and butter, honestly. copy my exact approach. It is outlined there, and you get to work, directly with me. Speaking of that, in my private community, I do multiple live streams a week. You can find out more in the description. We've had a crazy group of guests over the last like 4 or 5 weeks. We've had just a bunch. I'm not even going to name them, but we've had a bunch. Honestly, you get all the replays too if you want to catch that. We just this past week on Friday had Chris. He's a print on demand YouTuber. You're gonna know him soon. All right. He has done over $25 million in sales. He did a private coaching session with us, and I showed how to sell print on demand products as FBA. That was just on Friday. It's a crazy value, and the first month that it costs to join, I cover with free Etsy listings. So you join for free for the first month. It's insane. Linked in the description, guys. Thank you for watching. Please hit that like button, subscribe if you're not already, and I'll see you tomorrow with a new video.